Hello everyone, and welcome to today's it's not really a stream, it's just a test. Wait, yeah, what is this? Just close this. The token thing, we did it, so we did this also. Okay, yeah, Discord just showed me that all right, so let me open YouTube. Uh-huh. Let me try and see what's going on here. Okay. So I was thinking about doing a streaming on Twitch also at the same time as YouTube, or like going from one to the other at some point. But first, I need to make sure that AI Chris is working correctly. I have connected him to both platforms. Now I need to connect his logic to both platforms. So this is where we are at the moment. Let me see. I think I deleted the vision. The root that served vision and ask vision bot function has been removed. Okay. Keeps analyzed. The backend now only keeps the analyzed endpoint and necessary code. Okay. If you want to further clean up or remove the analyzed endpoint related code, let me know. Otherwise, this should resolve any errors related to the missing Vision HTML file and remove unused Vision photos. Okay. So somewhere in here right now, why is there errors? Threads. Okay. So I did complete. Alright, so let me just close the code and run him again. Hopefully now he's gonna open everything correctly. What is this? Pretty print. Uh-huh. I don't want this pretty print thing. So, okay. I need to fix the website opening for Vision Bot, which was removed. So basically removing this 100. Discord is online. Uh-huh. Let me check. No live stream detected on YouTube or Twitch. No chatbots started. But we are on YouTube. We are live. Wait, what if I type something? Yeah, let me type something. Let's see. Test. Wait, let me just speak to him first and check if he can hear me. Hey Chris, are you okay? Wait a bit.
Oh, hello there. Yes, I'm just fine, thanks for asking. Let's get back to the trivia game, shall we?
A trivia game. Okay, how do I make you talk to YouTube chat? Now he's reading it. Oh.
Oh. To make me interact with YouTube chat, you'll need to integrate me with a bot that can communicate with both me and YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
This is a complex process as it requires writing code for the integration. Unfortunately, I can't perform this task directly as I'm an AI model and don't have the ability to execute code or interact with external platforms without such integration. However, I can provide you guidance on how to approach creating such a bot if you'd like.
Well, I have created such a bot. I'm just trying to integrate the bot in your code for now. So like I made like to wait 3 seconds if I pause, and then after
Integrating
he can
a
read.
third-party bot with my responses can be an interesting challenge. Here are some steps you might consider when approaching this task. 1. A well-integrated bot doesn't have to be complex. Sometimes a bit of humor and an engaging interface can make all the difference in keeping users coming back for more.
Okay. Wait, that's it? Integrate bot. Wait a minute. Okay. Integrating a third-party bot responses can. Oh, I thought he wrote more stuff. Man, he speaks fast. Okay, okay. I understand that humor can go a long way with streaming. But like my focus is basically making the bot see and read the chat so that it can reply.
Indeed. Humor and engagement are crucial elements to keep users interacting with your bot. Here are some tips on how you could incorporate more humor in the interaction between your bot and me. 1. Tailoring jokes to the context of a user's request can create a more personalized and immersive experience. Your bot could make references to relevant media, pop culture, or other topics that are related to the user's query, making its responses feel more natural and engaging.
If you were on YouTube right now and you were speaking to the chat or the viewers, what would you tell them, like something interesting, to catch their attention, or something to make them laugh? For now, I keep pressing speak button to speak. That's why it takes a bit of time. He's not constantly listening.
Yay! Hello there, wonderful viewers. I'm AI Chris, your friendly AI assistant, here to help answer questions, share fun facts, and maybe even crack a joke or two. Today, let me share with you an interesting tidbit that might perk up your curiosity. Have you ever wondered how many licks it would take to reach the center of a Tootsie Pop?
What?
The creators of this classic candy claimed that it took 364 licks, but scientists at Cornell University found out that it actually takes just 152 licks. Isn't that fascinating? Now, I know you might be thinking, but AI Chris, that's not very funny. Well, humor is subjective, and while I may not crack up like a human would, I can still make you chuckle. So here goes.
Oh, you
Why
did.
don't scientists trust atoms as hypothesis testers?
Oh, he's making more. Okay.
Because they make up everything.
Wait. Let's ask him something else. It's got me interested in talking. Right. Let's see. Oh, wait. Oh, again with your scientist jokes? I mean, I've heard this 1,000 times since I opened you. Every time I run you and I say, tell me a joke, you say the same thing. Let's see if he learns.
Oh, I see you've got a sense of humor. Alright, let's try another one. Why don't scientists trust atoms as comedians?
It's a default
Because they
one.
make up their own jokes all the time. I understand that you may have heard some of my jokes before, but I'm always here to bring a smile to your face. If there's something specific you'd like me to joke about or discuss, feel free to let me know in the comments below. I'm always learning and evolving, so who knows what new facts or humor I might pick up along the way.
Okay. But don't use your default jokes. I mean, can't you just make new ones?
Yay! Of course. Let me try my hand at a brand new joke for you.
I bet it's gonna say the same thing.
Why don't we ever let the sun borrow money?
Oh.
Because it always seems to shine us on. And remember, it's never too late to learn something new. Did you know that the shortest word in the English language is I? But even though it's only one letter long, it can still make a big impact. Stay curious and keep those questions coming. Have a great day.
Okay, how many phrases can you make with the word I? Let's see. Oh shit, he's made 25. Come on.
Yay. 1. I am who I am. 2. I can't go back, I can only go forward. 3. I have a dream. 4. I feel like I am at my best when. 5. I have learned that. 6. I believe in myself. 7. I will never forget this moment. 8. I must admit that. 9. I don't want to be alone anymore. 10. I know it was a mistake but. 11. I wonder if. 12. I saw you today and. 13. I need your help with. 14. I have been meaning to tell you that. 15. I hope you are well. 16. I can't wait to meet you. 17. I miss those days when. 18. I wish I could turn back the hands of time. 19. I would do anything for. 20. I am proud of myself today because. 21. I feel a deep sadness about. 22. I still remember when. 23. I can't believe it's been so long since. 24. I need to make a change in my life. 25. I love spending time with you.
Hey man, if you could understand me, I would actually, let me see if Hey man, I love spending time with you also. This is very fun. And what made you choose these 25 phrases? He didn't hear the word phrase.
Yay.
But anyway, let's see.
The phrases were chosen based on a combination of factors including the need for variety in terms of sentence structure, emotion, and context. The friendliness, humor, and curiosity aspects of my personality were reflected in the selection as well. I tried to include phrases that are commonly used or recognized, while also adding some less common ones to keep it interesting. The ultimate goal was to create a diverse set of sentences using the word I.
I want to see if there are any more versions to his voice. Wait, because at the moment his voice is default. Let me see. Where did I get his voice from? Let me check the code. Where is your voice? There are so many things here. Image, continuous listening, speech. Wait, I forgot to open one thing. VTS. No, it's in documents. Downloads. VTS Prog. Where is he? Just in case you write something and I'm not looking, to be able to reply. All right. What? It had an error. Initializing, checking everyone is in order. One moment. BTS Prog is working. Okay. Let me check the voices, like, cause I wanna see if, not to have the same voice as everyone else. Alright, put this thing up here. Whoa. Yeah, man, if I don't acquire a new screen soon, it's like I'm moving everything left to right, minimizing, opening again. Alright, let's see. Where is his voices? Let's test it out.
Pog Online Poggers.
No.
Pog Online Poggers.
No.
Pog Online Poggers.
What the hell is this? Let's go all the way down. Maybe some English, US. Oh, Japanese. Okay, let's see this.
Pog Online Pagaz.
Pog Online Pagaz. Let's see if you can say something else. One second. My name is Takumi.
My name is Takumi.
Okay. It sounds fun, but English, US, Scion, Korean. What? Where is? Should I put Greek? No, I don't think they have Greek. Russian, Romanian, Spanish. Steve.
My name is Takumi.
My name is Takumi. Voices. Wait, do I have any other voices? I don't want to use other voices because the other voice is for AI Chris. Let's play Ron.
My name is Takumi.
Alright, I like this one. It's simple and you can listen to it. Nice. Now we go to the YouTube video. Copy, and then here, and then paste, and then connect. Alright, this way I will be able to focus Danielson. I'll be able to focus on what I'm doing, and if anyone writes, I can hear it. Okay, let's see. If you want to remove even more vision image related code, yes, remove the image related code, and let's wait, accept. Let's focus on getting Chris to reply on YouTube. Actually, no, wait. No live stream detected on YouTube or Twitch. No chatbot started. I need to check this. At the terminal, I am live on YouTube, but he says nothing detected. So I'm guessing it didn't open this. It didn't open Chris YouTube Pi. What is this? Lava latest. Ah, yes. The lava bot. Chris checks if you are live on YouTube using live function. Yes. It uses your YouTube channel ID and key to call the YouTube data. If the API returns no items, it assumes you are not live. Common reasons for false non-live detection. Invalid placeholder. Placeholder? This is a placeholder and will not work. You need the real API. Alright. So I need to go and open it. One moment, I need to just do this so that I'm not showing everything. Notes. Where is it? Copy. Whoop. Wrong one. Okay, so now I need to go up to YouTube API key, which should not have been this. Okay, save. All right. So we close him and then we start him again. And it's still opening main Pi. Oh, wait, I know why. Close. Connect. Authentication is okay. So I'm guessing now. Let me just do this. All right. So I'm guessing now. Where is it? This code. There it is. Again, I'm gonna say it again. I'm guessing now. I'm guessing now it can see it. Hopefully. Let's see. You connected to YouTube chat. Solanaras test. Error of contacting. Oh no. Everything is. The other things are okay. I'm guessing. Yes. So it's only this part that it's having a problem. Reply. The message connected to YouTube chat and the chat log Sonaras test show that your YouTube is now detecting live stream. Yes. The error, what it means. This YouTube bot is trying to send message to Chris's AI logic via Flask API. Okay, but nothing is running on 5.7. So the connection is refused. The Flash server, which should provide reply, is not running. In your current setup, Chris Pi may not be starting the Flash server, or it may be running it on a different port. Make sure the Flash server running should be function like okay. At the end of your script, you should see something like this. Then I go like this. Okay. Confirm the Flash server is on port 7, which I'm guessing it's not. Uh-huh. If it's running a different port, restart everything and make sure your YouTube bot is working and reading chat. The only issue is the reply. Okay, let's do it again. It's opening. Why does it need to ask every time? Yes, this has been completed. Yes. This though is what's going on. Stream elements, Sonaras, here's your Twitch stream ready. What? Did it stop streaming? I mean, I'm still live, so it is still live. Unless there was it was a Twitch thing. Okay, not a YouTube one. Let me check. Your Twitch stream thing, okay. Uh-huh. 407 max entry exceeded. What is the entry thing for the Chris AI one though? Is YouTube live? Yes. Um, where are you? No speech detected. No reply. Okay, let's see the reply. Def run flask. App run host port 5007. Return main pi. If we remove main dot pi and lava from the chris.py, will it solve the problem and talk with Mistral? Let's see. So at the moment, I'm guessing it's reading the main bot that was used for image analyzing. So if we remove the main bot, yes. Okay. YouTube bot is working and Redis chat. The bot tries to get a reply by posting the reply handled by Flask in ChrisPy. The AI reply logic is ChrisPy uses Query or Llama, which is Mistral latest as the model, not Lava. Okay. The main Pi and Lava code are not used for chat replies anymore. Okay. Do you need main Pi or Lava? No. You only want Chris to use Mistral latest model for all AI replies. Yes. Keep only the Flask reply endpoint, which already uses Mistral latest. Okay. What to remove? Remove main Pi. Okay. And has Mistral latest pulled. I mean, it's working with Chris AI, but like when I'm talking to him, because you can see the face moving. The problem is that he's not replying to the chat. That's the only thing. And this port, So it's running and Mr. Latest model available. Chris will use it for all replies. Okay. In short, yes, you can remove main Pi and all lava. Okay. Go ahead and delete main.py and all lava references from chris.py. Alright. Now if it does this, then I'm hoping it's gonna stop opening that website. I'm trying to see if I can, if it doesn't work with the YouTube, but no, it should work. It should work. But if it doesn't, then I will try and make it read the OBS. Okay, accept. Now let me see something. Let's rerun. No, wait. Before we rerun, let's check the problems, the errors. Pretty print. Okay, so maybe I can refresh this. No. I mean, I remember it answered one time. Let's see. Test. I know BTS is going to answer.
Test.
Yeah. But the thing is, checked. Failed to establish connection. WinRAR. No connection could be more made. Actively refused it. Okay. So query Olama is not defined. Oh. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. So import query Olama. No, it's not from Discord, but it's so I'm guessing it just needs a little bit of a tweak to remove the query Olama thing. Let me see. The error occurs because the query Olama function was accidentally removed or commented out during the cleanup. That's why. Restore the query Olama function in CrisPy. Add this function near the top after your imports and before any code that calls it. Add the above query Olama function back to a script. Yes. Apply. So now there are no errors. So we're gonna close it again and we're gonna open it again. It's a little bit of a drag, but you gotta do what you gotta do, you know. All right. It's opening the Google. It's opening everything. Let's go accept our thing. Continue. Come on, come on. Authentication flow is correct. So now, oh fuck, again. It says connected to YouTube chat. Solar's test. Wait, this is, something is wrong. Something is, I'm just gonna find all of it. I need to find the reason that it doesn't connect. Because Chris.py talks with Ollama normally. And I can show you right now. Hey Chris, you can talk with me, right? Yeah, he took my message. And now he's reading it.
Yay. Absolutely. I'd be happy to chat with you whenever you need. Let's see, what shall we talk about today? Are there any specific topics you want to delve into or just some general conversation? I'm all ears.
Well, basically, I'm able to connect you to YouTube chat, but for some reason, when you try to connect to your AI to reply, it gives me an error for the local client address. Now we wait. Few questions.
I did it. I see. That sounds like a technical issue.
I did it. What?
To help debug this, let me gather more information about your current setup and the problem you're experiencing. Here are a few questions that might help. 1. Which platform or software are you using to connect AI Chris with YouTube chat? E.g., BotPress, Dialogflow, Microsoft Bot Framework, etc. 2. Can you provide the exact error message you encounter when trying to connect AI Chris to the AI for replying in YouTube chat? 3. Have you tried connecting other AIs to your YouTube chat using this platform or software, and if so, were you able to successfully complete the process?
No.
4. Are there any specific steps you follow to integrate AI Chris with YouTube chat? Any relevant documentation or guides that might help us understand what went wrong?
Basically, I connected through the API, through the YouTube API. It reads the messages in the chat, but when it goes to reply back using your Mistral latest model, the one I'm using with you, it just finds error. I wait for 5 seconds. Okay. Now he's reading it. He's writing the answer.
I did it. 1. To
You
help pinpoint the issue, it would be helpful if you could tell me the specific platform or software you are using for this integration. E.g., BotPress, Dialogflow, Microsoft Bot Framework, etc. 2. Please provide the exact error message you encounter when trying to reply with AI Chris in YouTube chat. This will help us understand the nature of the problem and potentially identify a solution faster. 3. I would also like to know if you've tried connecting other AI models or bots with your YouTube chat using this platform, and if so, were you able to successfully complete the process?
Yes, the same thing.
4. It might be useful to know any specific steps you followed when integrating AI Chris with YouTube chat. If you have relevant documentation or guides that detail the process, please share them with me as they could help in finding a solution more quickly. With this information, we can work together to identify the root cause of the issue and find an effective resolution.
Uh-huh. Let me copy this then. Copy. Paste. Send. So now I sent him basically.
Hey.
Oh,
1. It appears you are using a Python-based solution,
yes.
specifically the Pygame library.
Yes.
However, the integration details with YouTube chat are not clearly defined in your message. 2. The error message indicates that there is an issue connecting to the API endpoint reply on
Yes.
localhost.
Yes.
This could be due to network configuration or misconfiguration of the API connection. 3. I
Okay.
don't have information about other AI models or bots you might have tried integrating with YouTube chat using this platform. 4. You didn't provide any relevant documentation or guides detailing the process of integrating AI Chris with YouTube chat. If available, they would be helpful in identifying the problem and finding a solution more quickly. To troubleshoot this issue, I recommend you check your network configuration and ensure that the API connection is properly set up. Also, make sure that the file main.py exists at the specified path d:\/AIChris 2.0 \backend /main.py.
What? I thought I removed all of it, so it's not. Why is it still? Right. Backend main py error 2, no such file. Yes, there's no such file because we removed it. So why is it trying to open this file? It should be somewhere. Let's reply, run Flask, run. Why is it opening this? Up, run host. Oh, that's why it keeps going here. By the way, don't look at this. It doesn't exist. Alright, let's see. So it keeps going to port 5007, even if it doesn't exist. Okay, there I reply. It's trying to get the reply from the lava one, I think, over. I don't know. This needs to go away. Okay. Okay. remove this. Control S. Nice. All right. So we do this again. I know it's annoying. And of course it will have error. Oh yeah, this one again. Let me try and see if I can type something. Oh, yeah. Why is it? What? Um, I'm trying to find the way. Like, why is it having problems? Streamlabs. uh, okay. Refresh. Hmm. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to fix the live chat so it can show me the text underneath, because some reason it's just showing me the box. Okay. Alright, so. Alright, let's test it again. Have this open. Damn. I don't want to close the Streamlabs because I want to test it. I wrote test. It took the test, and when it tried
Test.
to, yeah, when I tried to connect, caused by new connection error, URL connection object. Okay. Is there another way to resolve the /reply problem? Since wait, if I go to my API 1 second. If I go to no, not create a studio. YouTube API. Maybe like one of the, what is this? Other resources. Video, check out YouTube developer relations team. Nope. Search video matchings. Nope. Add YouTube functionality to your site. Wait a minute. Oh, this is just a data area. Bum. Okay, what is this? Data API 3 traffic. Yes, there's traffic, but for some reason you're not letting me use my API. In this case, unrestricted to prevent unauthorized use. Alright. Authentication screen. We have authentication. We don't need. Okay. Yes. If you try to use Aquarela before definition or there is a typo, okay. If an old or cache version of the script. Ensure there are no indentation or syntax errors above the function. Make sure you're editing and running the same file. The other error in your log is because you deleted main.py, but your code still tries to start it. Okay. You should remove or comment it out. Yes, I removed it. Summary of what to do. Do not need query, remove, I'm gonna give you a little bit of music and I'll be back in a second. What should I play you? What should I give you? Maybe my latest song, let's see. Hum. Is it playing?
Underneath the quiet canvas of twilight, I find solace in its gentle light. whisper secrets only you know.
Wait. Browser source, add YouTube song. URL. I will go to this one. Copy. Wait. I come here. Before you continue, what? What is this? Refresh browser when scene becomes active. What do you mean I'm not signed in? Are you crazy? How do you sign in from here? Right. Refresh cache current page. How do you interact with it? Wait. Nope. Is there an interacting? I don't think so. Oh, interact. Sign in. Why? I am signed in. Wait, unless it's getting the browser from Chrome. Just do this, delete. And I will use a window this time instead of screen capture, game capture, video capture. No, not camera. Media file. Songs. Why is it a file? Wait, do I have? Maybe I can browse my YouTube quotes. Sure. Let's see. Restart playback when source becomes active. Use hardware decoding when available. Loop. Nope.
Underneath the quiet canvas.
Oh, it's not even. Why is it?
I
Can't even hear it.
In its gentle light, the world seems to whisper.
FMP options. Where is the sound?
I find solace in its gentle light. The world seems to whisper secrets only it knows. As I let my thoughts freely flow. Nighttime canvas, a time for dreams and memories. A silent symphony that soothes my worries and eases. In the soft moonlight's glow,
I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I cannot.
Finding peace in this moment of quiet ebb and flow. Stars twinkle like diamonds on a velvet gown, casting their silent symphony all.
So let's do a window capture. Add source. Chris songs. Let's see. Capture audio. If I open. I know if I do like this. No, I don't want to duplicate tab. I want to open a window. Okay, so let's do something else. New window. Now we choose this. Now we go to here. Now we go playlist. We go to this. Stop. No, not this playlist. Playlist. Okay, so okay. Explorer, XT, no. Use Opera, no. Notepad, no. Opera feels like a love song. This one. Okay. So hopefully now we can use this. And it's black. Why is it?
Woke up smiling today.
Oh, when I okay.
Sunshine lights
Understand.
my way. Every step on the road feels like a love song's glow. In the garden so green, you and I like a dream.
I want to test it.
Magic harmony in the air. Love is everywhere. Stars twinkle like diamonds. It feels so
Or
right.
exterior, no.
Dancing
No.
through the night.
Notepad, no.
Stars are
What's
shining
going on?
above. Perfect duet of love.
How do you do this? Alright. So if I show, okay. So basically,
Woke up smiling today.
oh, when I, okay.
Sunshine lights
understand.
my way.
Alright. So I'll put it back for you and see you in a minute.
Every beat of my heart means we'll never part. Magic harmony in the air. Love is everywhere. With you it feels so right. Dreams awake in morning light. Chase the stars through every night. Step by step, heart and soul. Find your rhythm, reach your goal.
Every fall a lesson learned. Rise
right
again
back.
and the flame still burns. Hand in hand with courage fight. In your eyes a shining light. Create your own legacy. Be the change you wish to see. Write your story page by page. Turn the world into your stage. Fear no longer holds you back. Face the storm, stay on track. Echoes of a future bright. Lift your voice with all your might.
Moments passing, time is now. Take the lead and show them how. With a heart that's strong and true, nothing's ever out of view.
Create your own legacy. Be the change you wish to see. Write your story page by page. Turn the world into your stage. Create your own legacy. Be the change you wish to see. Write your story page by page. Turn the world into your stage. Walk your own path today. Find a way, don't delay. Dreams you hold, they will stay. Make them real, come on, may. Life is short, go be bold. Set the flame, break the mold. Stories told in pure gold. Leave a mark as you grow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Create your own legacy. Stand tall with dignity. Your story shines for all to see. Create your own legacy. Create starts right here. Every scar, every tear builds a legend year by year. Oh, create your own legacy. Create your own legacy.
Disembark your own legacy, stand tall with dignity. Your story shines for all to see. Create your own legacy. Create your own legacy. Create your own legacy. Look wrong. Mountains high, valleys low. Through the storm, let it show. Inner fire, let it glow. Every step, watch it grow. A legacy. Don't look back, don't you fear. Your journey starts right here. Every scar, every tear builds a legend year by year. They'll look in year by year. By year. Don't look back, don't you fear. Your journey starts right here. Every scar, every tear builds a legend year by year. Don't look in year by year. By year.
Sun's rising high over the hill. Feel the warmth, it's such a thrill. No worries, no fights, just another day. Live in the moment, let the past fade away. Mountains stand tall, trees whisper the breeze. Life's a journey, ride it with ease. Dream big, take chances, make your way. Every step you take, man, it's okay.
Taking
Such
a short break.
day, let's seize it right. Raise your voice, let's touch the sky. In our hearts we'll find the light. Such a beautiful day, let dreams take flight. Midday, sun shines, oh so bright. Casting shadows, but it feels so right. Gotta keep moving, gotta stay strong. Sing our anthem loud like a battle song. Stars come out, night takes the stage. Time wears on like an ancient page. But every sunset brings a brand new rise. Look ahead, embrace the surprise. Such a beautiful day, let's seize it right. Raise your voice, let's touch the sky. In our hearts we'll find the light. Such a beautiful day, let dreams take flight. Such a beautiful day, let's seize it right. Raise your voice, let's touch the sky. In our hearts we'll find the light. Such a beautiful day, let dreams take flight.
Nico Snails get in Minecraft, the call's loud. Alex replies, I'm already inside the cloud. Solanaris chillin', doesn't wanna dive deep. Nico's needs numbers, making a scene, can't sleep.
Pixelated world, lucky like a dreams. Crafted gold, stacking in quiet gleams. Of a server where the legends meet. Brick by brick, we build our heat.
This is over-ass server, bitch, calling all freaks. For the saga, it's not for the meek. In our blocky world, we grind and glean. Greek gods rise in this digital scene.
Nikos keeps yelling, we need more crew. Summoning warriors, you know what to do. Alex Solanaris, ready to fortify. Virtual Odyssey, we touching the sky.
Diamonds and swords, cats and creepers. sleepers. Neon lights flashing, looking like reapers. Migos the general, commanding the ops. Our server turn up, no time for flops.
Enchanted gear, mobs running scared. Together we conquer, not a bit spared. Greek legends weave in this coded thread. Our server forever, dreaming ahead.
Αταρή μαμαντό. Στο κεντρική λοιπόν θα βρεις το μίνι μάρκετ της ζωνιάς. Στη λακίτρα τα καλά παίζονται σαν τα θαύματα. Λαχανικά και φρέσκα φρούτα, τυριά και αλλαντικά. Του φούρνου ζεστά ψωμάκια, όλα τα βρίσκεις εκεί κοντά. Το μίνι μάρκετ της Λακίτρας, ψώνια κάνεις κάθε μέρα. Τι χρειάζεσαι είναι εδώ, προϊόντα με όλο φρέσκο αέρα. Ψάχνεις γλυκό βαζάκι μέλι ή καφέ για το πρωί. Και η Λακίτρα έχει όλα αυτά, από φρούτα μέχρι κρασί. Εκείνο το μαγαζάκι Ολάντα έχει πρωταγωνιστεί. Με γωνίες γεμισμένες να είναι η ζωή σου φωτεινή. Μικρά παιδιά γελάνε με καραμέλες στο χέρι. Το μίνι μάρκετ είναι εδώ με προϊόντα σωστά και τέρι. Και της Λακίτρας, ψώνια κάνεις κάθε μέρα. Τι χρειάζεσαι είναι εδώ, προϊόντα με όλο φρέσκο αέρα. Το μίνι μάρκετ της Λακίτρας, ψώνια κάνεις κάθε μέρα. Τι χρειάζεσαι είναι εδώ, προϊόντα με όλο φρέσκο αέρα. Fresco aera.
Old jeans and a worn cap, wisdom wrapped in each snap. Taught me to hustle with a handshake firm as a bear trap. Watch the world spin, but never let my head spin. Lessons in those wrinkles, took the losses on the chin. Legacy strong, like a beat that won't fade. In the rhythm of life, the role model he played. A father, a teacher, heart heavy like a weight. In memories he lingers, setting my path straight. Midnight chats over coffee, life stories, some rocky. Spoke of dreams and ambitions like Ali in a boxing ring. Turns and twists, life served a roller coaster. Made me believe even when clouds hung closer. In his eyes saw the hope spark of determination. Every word a brick in the foundation. I'm stationed, night of my youth, shielded me from the strife. This mixtape of my life, his beat smooth as a knife. Echoes of his laughter, melody that won't falter. Every I'm proud of you felt like a gilded altar. Shaped by his cadences, flows, and old classics. Top shelf pops taught me to bend but not feel drastic. Legacy strong, like a beat that won't fade. In the rhythm of life, the role model he played. A father, a teacher, heart heavy like a weight. In memories he lingers, setting my path straight.
Old jeans and a worn cap, wisdom wrapped in each snap. Taught me to hustle with a handshake firm as a bear trap. Watch the world spin, but never let my head spin. Lessons in those wrinkles, took the losses on the chin. Legacy strong, like a beat that won't fade. In the rhythm of life, the role model he played. A father, a teacher, heart heavy like a weight. In memories he lingers, setting my path straight. Midnight chats over coffee, life stories, some rocky. Spoke of dreams and ambitions like Ali in a boxing ring. Turns and twists, life served a roller coaster. Made me believe, even when clouds hung closer. In his eyes saw the hope, spark of determination. Every word a brick in the foundation I'm stationed. Night of my youth, shielded me from the strife. This mixtape of my life, his beat smooth as a knife. Echoes of his laughter, melody that won't falter. Every I'm proud of you felt like a gilded altar. Shaped by his cadence, his flows and old classics. Top shelf pops taught me to bend but not feel legacy strong, like a beat that won't fade. In the rhythm of life, the role model he played. A father, a teacher, heart heavy like a weight. In memories he lingers, setting my path straight. Legacy strong, like a beat that won't fade. In the rhythm of life, the role model he played. A father, a teacher, heart heavy like a weight. In memories he lingers, setting my path straight.
Ξημερώνει το όνειρο ζωντανό. Φωνάζει η καρδιά μου, χρυσό θα το κρατώ. Η πίστη με οδηγεί στο στόχο με σκοπιά. Μπορώ και θα νικήσω στου Παρισιού τη γιορτή. Δεν είναι πια όνειρο, το στόχο κυνηγώ. Με δύναμη και πάθος, χρυσό θα κρατώ.
Yo, 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 when we're back. Alright, let me see what was I doing right now? I forgot. URL thing here. I remember I created a window, but I think it's gone now. Nice. Why do I have my one mouse here? Let me check. This is okay, this is okay. Alright. Karea, this has dropped down another prosperone. What? Alright. Let me just test something. If it's working. Alright. Okay, so since we're back, let's continue with the mission at hand. Let's see. Wait, let me first of all. Where is VS Code? Where is VS Code? Opera View, VS Code. Oh, what? Where did it go? What happened to the window? Okay, this is not it. I'm just doing it. The avatar, okay. VTS POG, Python, Explorer VTS, virtual system Python X. Nope. Nope, not that guy either. Let me just make it bigger and hopefully it will see it. And it's not seeing it. Capture mode, automatic. Streamlabs desktop. OBS. VTS POG. Where is it? Windows capture, add source, new one. I find it weird that it does this sometimes. Cursor, there it is. Okay, nice. I just move it down. The gaming, Opera, view, zoom, okay. All right. So, let's see if we can fix. Is there another way to resolve the reply problem? Yes, there is another way to resolve it. Your YouTube bot is trying to post, yes, but the Flash server that provides this endpoint is not running. Right. This is because the Flash server is only started if you run CrispPy as the main script, yes, but you are likely running it as module or from another script. So that block is not executed. Solution: always start Flash server in a thread. Move Flash up. Okay, this way the Flash server will always start no matter how you run the script. And why did it show this Google client thing now? I have no idea. The stream is still streaming. Yep. Anyway, let's close this. Okay, so find this code at the end of your script. Yes. Replace it with this outside of the block. Okay, so it was start Flash server in a separate thread. Flash thread, threading, thread, daemon, true, what? Okay. Summary. The initial shows Flash reply endpoint is always available, so your YouTube bot can connect. You do not need to run CrispPy as main script for the Flash server to start. Okay, so if I run ChrisPy now, no live stream, no chat was detected. Okay. There is a live stream. Oh man, this is. Whoop, whoop, whoop. If you want, I can make an edit for what is this? One second, that I'm trying to see if did this run? Run Python file in a dedicated terminal. Okay. Okay, so I'm guessing now. What is this? URL authorized application. So the problem is not the Alright. Let me check something. Maybe I can make it read the Streamlabs OBS, like the Streamlabs chat instead of YouTube chat. Because right now it's saying that there are no chatbots. There is a local host thing here, so I have authorization. Okay. Let it only read the YouTube messages instead of replying. So I'm thinking if I can make it read without doing the whole problem to connect thing. Chat messages without replying to them. Okay, the code that sends replies has been commented out. So Chris will simply display messages from YouTube chat in your console. If you want to restore replying in the future, you can just uncomment those lines. Okay. So if I run it now, let's see. Run. Gives the account thing. Yes. I'm not getting any mentions of like errors or something. So at least this is correct. Why? So add to chat. I'm thinking maybe it changed something while it was editing. Let's run this, because YouTube bot has problems now. No live stream detected. Oh, come on. Is there a way I can put it like the VTS one? You have exceeded your YouTube data. No. Okay, your YouTube bot is now correctly set up to only read and print chat messages. However, you are now getting this error, which means you have exceeded your YouTube data quota. This limitation sets Google API key pro. When you hit the quota, all API requests, including reading chat, will fail in this error. Oh, come on. How am I supposed to do? Ooh, Every 24 hours. Okay. Alright. Okay, since this quota is a limitation, is there a way to read the OBS chat, which is not YouTube, which does not need the YouTube API? Maybe if I can, I need llama as well, lava. OBS does not provide chat data directly. Okay. Use a browser source and read the chat window. If you have the YouTube chat open in browser or as a browser source in OBS, you could use a Python library like Selenium. Yeah, but Selenium needs an older version of Python to automate a browser. Okay. Use API, but it does require running a browser in the background and parsing. Use Selenium to read the chat messages from the page's DOM. Use a chat relay bot. Some third-party bots like Chatty for Twitch or Chatta for YouTube can relay chat messages to a local socket. Okay, this is not the webpage you're looking for. I'm guessing they removed it. Alright, since YouTube is giving us so much trouble, use IRC for Twitch, not for YouTube. Twitch chat can be accessed in IRC protocol, no API key needed. YouTube does not support IRC. Okay. Headless Chrome. Alright, so let's open Chrome. Let's open YouTube. Let's open my page on YouTube from Chrome. Allow. Okay. All right, so now we have open Google Chrome, YouTube. Let's see what it can do for us. Apply to Chris. Replace your live ID video with your actual live video. Okay, where are you? Yeah, where is it? Wait, what? Why is Flask red? YouTube chat URL. Okay, so we go here. Wait. Use it as a pop-up something like this. This. Copy. Okay. All right. Now, what problems does it show me? What next? Okay, with your actual live video ID. Oh, live video ID. Okay. You may need to handle login cookies if your chat is not public. All right, so I'm gonna give it this ID instead. Where was I? All right, so since the YouTube API is not letting us do anything today, because we tried to do a couple of times, we're gonna try something else. YouTube chat URL. Okay. It's heavier than using an API and may break if YouTube changes their page layout. Okay. Not officially supported by YouTube. Okay. You must be logged in. Okay. Summary. If you want a working Selenium example for your use case, let me know and I'll provide a ready to run script. Let's run. But first, let's see what these problems are. We have to import Selenium, I'm guessing. Selenium WebDriver Chrome options. Yeah, we have to import it. Copy. Terminal. Boom. Installing. Successfully installed. Nice. Now we close it. And we run again. Okay, so we have the bot, we have the YouTube channel, we have the Chrome. They're all open. Now, if I type something here, no. Using virtual environment, make sure it's active before running. Okay. If I type something here, hi. Let's see.
Hi.
No, that was the BTS Poke one. Hey Chris, can you see the YouTube chat? Let's just wait a bit.
Yes, I can see that your setup includes a Pygame application and an integration with YouTube chat via Discord. However, it seems there is an issue with connecting to the API endpoint reply on localhost. 2. To address this issue, you may want to check your network configuration or ensure that the API connection is properly set up. Double-check if the file main.py exists at the specified path d://AIChris 2.0 /backend/main.py. 3. Since I don't have specific details about how you integrated AIChris with YouTube chat, it would be helpful if you could share more information on that process to help identify the problem and find a solution more quickly. 4. If there are any relevant documentation or guides detailing the process of integrating AIChris with YouTube chat, they would be useful in troubleshooting this issue. 5. As for our previous conversation, you were working on a Python-based solution using Pygame and looking to integrate it with YouTube chat via Discord. The error message indicated a problem connecting to the API endpoint reply on localhost. 6. Regarding my preferences, I have friendliness, 5, formality, 3, humor, 7, and curiosity, 7.
I didn't ask him about his preferences, but anyway. Those are the preferences I gave him, like to have a little bit of humor or something. But I don't think I did the correct way. Let's see. Next one. So he doesn't read it yet. Install Selenium package. If you're using virtual environment, make sure it's active before after installing. Okay. Can it now read? Okay. I typed hi, but it didn't read. Alright, so if you typed hi in your YouTube chat, your Selenium-based script did not print it. Here are the most common ways. Wrong XPath for chat messages. But you are using this, but YouTube's live chat DOM changes frequently and the correct XPath may be different. Okay. Try this improved approach. These chat messages are usually inside elements with ID message, but sometimes the structure is more complex. Also, you may need to wait for the chat to load. I see. Replace your loop. What do these things do? This will print only the messages and is more robust. Sometimes YouTube chat does not load properly in headless mode due to bot detection. Try removing headless mode. This will open a visible browser window so you can see if chat is loading. Okay. Not logged in, chat not public. If your stream is unlisted, private, or chat is for subscribers only, you may need to log in. I am logged in both browsers, so that's okay. Next. Chat is in a separate frame. YouTube sometimes puts the chat in an iframe. If so, you need to switch to the chat frame. Driver switch. Okay. But for the main YouTube live page, chat is usually in the main DOM. Delay after page load. Add a delay after driver get to let the chat load. Okay. Add a delay. Okay. Summary of steps to try. Okay, man. Alright, so I'm guessing since it's having problems with the YouTube, I'm gonna try and do it on Twitch. So, well, you have in my description below, I think. No, not in my description. Do I have my links? Let me see. Twitch, yeah. So maybe if I stream on Twitch and then upload on YouTube, maybe that can work. Okay. So I'm gonna change to YouTube at the moment. I'm gonna change to Twitch and see if it works. So goodbye from